Alright, bro. Welcome to Refinery. This is the trailer right now. Got the Tahoe about to get wrapped. Got the second unit here. Refinery Duo. So here's what we got, okay? This is what you're gonna want to look at. This is the hose reel. This is a garden hose reel. These hose reels are mounted to this frame, which will be mounted to your little piece of wood, okay? Just like you seen in that video. This thing is $250. This hose is a 3/8 hose, non-marking. This blue hose is a marking hose. You don't want that. You want the non-marking hose. Every 100 feet is $150, give or take. Sometimes 130. You're gonna need 300 foot of it to be safe. So there's $450 plus 250 here. You know, you're looking at 700 bucks right there. 700 bucks, okay? Then you go right here. This is what I would recommend. This is the, as you've seen it on TV, 0G, but this is a 3/4 hose. This black one over here, okay, this is the one you see on TV a lot. That's the small one. This is a 3/4. That means wider hose width, more water flow. You buy a 75-foot section for like 60 bucks. I'd buy you 2 of them. That way you have 150 foot. Maybe even buy 3 of them. You know, so 6, 12, 18, call it $200 in garden hoses. They're very easy. Roll them up in your arm. You don't, this bulky stuff we need for hydrants, and we need for backup if this gets a hole in it. But these are pretty tough, and we beat ours up pretty good, and they hold in there. I've never had one break down on me yet. Knock on that wood. This hose reel here, another 250 bucks. So you're looking at another 450. We're looking at, what's that? 450 on 750. You got 8, 9, 10, 11, $1,200 for this setup and this setup. 1,200 bucks, okay? So let's keep on rolling. I got another one from my other machine. That's another 250 plus another 400, you know, so another 750 there. This is just a cage tank, 5-gallon buckets. I would get you one of these, okay? This is a, see this? This is plumbed to the bottom of the bucket. You put it on, you screw it on. It's a 5-gallon bucket. I'd get you 3 of them. Ricky sells them for 25 bucks a pop when they're plumbed. Call it 100 bucks, you know. Down here's the surface cleaner. That's an 18-inch. We have 2 of them. I sold one to Lawrence. That's an 18-inch. You're going to want to go 16 inches. 16 inches. This is a GP, General Pump, GP. Okay. Surface cleaner. Hover. See, it's got the skirt, no wheels. That's what you want, no wheels for a 4-gallon. We went 18 inches because I didn't know any better. We have to do a lot of more pre-treating and stuff a lot of times with our 4-gallon, because you're supposed to go 4 inches per gallon of machine. So if I got a 4-gallon a minute machine, 4 times 4, 16 inch. That's the biggest I need to go, and that will do what you need. Over here, this is what you're asking about. This is what I got from Ricky that day that you seen it. This is a General Pump. It's a pump, but it's a belt driven pump, okay? It's called a Bandit. It's a 4-gallon a minute machine. This is our big surface cleaner here. That surface cleaner is $750 by itself. That other surface cleaner that I was telling you about, you're gonna spend about $350 on it. They just all are high. $250 you can get sometimes, but figure $350, so that's the big surface cleaner. But here's the Bandit. 4-gallon a minute. Belt driven machine, 4,000 psi, 4,000 psi, 4-gallon a minute, belt driven machine. That's what you want, okay? That's what you want. That's gonna be a perfect one-man show. You hook directly to the house. I've got mine plumbed to this big water tank, okay? But here, this is what you have to buy. This doesn't come on. This is called a downstream injector. When I drop the pressure on my machine, on my nozzles, I'll show you this in a second. When I drop the pressure down, there's a ball in here that drops and it pulls soap, okay? And then I can downstream a house. Downstream means this tube runs all the way in, and I put a big rod in here, and I pull soap from this tank through this downstream injector, down my lines to my hose reel, down to my house. That's how I wash houses. I wash everything just from my gun. This is about 40 bucks. Call that another. You need about 2 of those in case one goes bad on you on the job. There's certain ways you have to hook these up, and I'll have to show you there's certain specs you have to match your machine. Another 80 bucks. You're talking this thing new. I have to do a pull cord.